Loved it. I would say very, very great because, everybody had different views, which I love at conferences. Usually when I go some places, if AI is the big topic, everyone's going to have kind of the same view on AI, then everyone is a bit scratching the surface, and every single conversation you get into, you get a bit the same feedback. I did love that we had different people from different backgrounds, like investors, operators, founders, and that allowed to have like this conversation moving.
Yeah, good event. It's nice to see a bunch of professionals, focused around data. I think now with AI, it's becoming a heavy focus topic, and I think a lot of people are just trying to wrap their heads around like how to actually use data. Can I make investments based on data? A lot of back office and CFO people here as well, looking for the single source of truth. So, exciting stuff.